So what's up guys? So I'm Bolaji, if you already know who is talking. So in today's video we are going to be looking at just two pairs. We are going to be looking at Eurgbp and GBP USD. What I expect should happen next week. So this coming week that we are about to go into. So if you haven't checked our video on AED USD, you can go and check it. Our last video on AED USD, check it and check what happened in the markets last week. So you see that everything I explained, the way I expected the market to move, it was the same way. I'm still going to upload a video about it, so you guys should just wait. So now let's look at ERG, what I think is going to happen on ERGBP. So this is ERGBP. Let's go to a week. So you will see that it is the same thing that happened on on AED last week that is about to happen also. So let's first check a week. You see that a week is moving towards here. See, so next week I expect the markets. The first thing I expect the markets to go and do is make a week high. So after making a week high, we can expect ourselves. Alright, all I'm planning for this market for this week is sell. So I'm looking forward for the market to sell next week. So now first let me first talk about, so you see a week. So first thing next week we are making a week high. After making a week high, then we are taking out this liquidity. This is my first priority. And after taking out this, then we can look at this. Okay, the market might pick this up. So that would because we so what can you see on a day? You see a day when the market has been in the downtrend, can you see? So we all know how I trade. We trade towards the liquidity. We trade towards the liquidity. Then after the market took out the liquidity, then we go the opposite direction. So this one first, let's first mark out our drawn liquidity, which is this that I marked out already. The market is drawn to this side. Can you see? So that's why I said after going for this side, so it's possible we are going for this side and this side. But my first priority is here. The market is coming towards here next week. If it doesn't happen on Monday, expect to happen on Tuesday or Wednesday. Then on Thursday, after picking it up, then whatever happens in the markets, you guys. But first, I will expect a buy up to happen. So now let me explain this video for you first before I go deeply. So after we have this BMS break of structure, we have this break of structure, we have this swing high, and we have this swing low. And we can see the market has made a swing high. So we are going to say okay, the market needs to go and make a swing, another swing high around here before taking the swing low. So now we are expecting the market to buy up. So I'm expecting a buy up on Monday, then on Tuesday and Wednesday we should start selling. But it cannot go, it can also go this way also. We can expect a buy up on Monday and sell also on Monday. But this is what I think is going to happen. We're going to expect a buy up on Monday, then on Tuesday and Wednesday we're going to sell and pick up all these are liquidities. Can you see? So now what is making me think okay, after making a swing here, then we are coming to make a new swing low. So that will take into 4 hours. If you check 4 hours, you see these happening. So if you find yourself trading ERGBP on Friday, I know you'll be thinking, okay, the market should sell. I'm also thinking the same thing. I'm also expecting the market to sell. But by the time I got my entry, it is late already. We are almost out of London section. You understand? We're almost out of London section. So let me check. So these are a day one liquidity. Can you see? A day one liquidity. Can you see? This is it here. So I'm expecting the market to take out this side. And after taking out this side, then we should look towards this two side. So we are taking this two side. So but this is my first priority before this and this. So can you see we have the BMS, so we have this swing and we have this swing. But 1 hour will be more clear to us. So let's check 1 hour. I'm going to see 1 hour differently. Can you see? So the same thing that happened on For our BMS here, a swing high and a swing low here. So for some people, after we had a BMS here, when the market goes this high, you'll be thinking, okay, then the market has reversed. No, the market has it has to pick up this liquidity first, even though it doesn't pick up this and this. But this liquidity, the market has to pick it up first before we say, okay, let's look at buy. Do you understand? So now, what did I see? What made me think, okay, we are going to sell? What is the second confirmation? My first confirmation is a day making a swing low, then a swing low, then I expect a swing high. And one of the fair value gap on a day. As you can see, we have a fair value gap on a day. You understand? So let's check. So that is it for for a day. A week, first thing we are going to do is you see that the market is drawn towards that liquidity that is now. So first thing we are going to see the market doing is making a high of the week. Then after making the high of the week, you see the markets move downward the throughout the week. Even though not throughout the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are going to see the market selling. Then Thursday and Friday, the market will start retracing. Thursday or Friday, the market starts retracing. If you have been trading the forex market for long, you understand that okay, even though we can't keep the market, we have to retrace a bit, which is what I think happened here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the market has been selling. Can you see? So this retracement happened on Friday, and it has already given us a confirmation that okay, I will continue my sales soon once we resume on Monday. So I will take you deeply into the confirmation that my second confirmation. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. So if you trade 15-minute time frame, actually I use 15-minute time frame mostly as my change of structure. You understand? So I trade towards the liquidity then 7. So before the market pick up that side, can you see on that 1 hour, the market left us the liquidity there. Then it picked up the same Friday, which I was not expecting the market to do. So for some people, they will be like, okay, even though you are able to store the liquidity, some people will be like, okay, you have taken out the liquidity, then you should expect a sell-off to happen immediately. No, the market did as this. So if you are able to store this, I will tell you to clap for yourself right now. So let's check 15 minutes, which is 15 minutes to give us our change of character. It means a change in the trend. Okay, we are about to reverse. The market broke a structure, but it wasn't going to break it. So now this is what I want you to check. So after picking up this our liquidity, you can see this is our swing low. Why? If you don't use this, you can use this. Then one thing happen again, then we have a change of character between this high and this low. Well, I want to tell you now that do you know that this high is a liquidity? Because of what? Can you see? This high is a liquidity. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. And even though you enter the market like okay, oh, the market should start selling, then on Friday you've entered your trade, so on Friday like okay, we are on sell. You should know that you are still going to lose money. You are still going to get kicked out. So even though you don't look at this liquidity, as we all know, the market is always drawn to liquidity. You should know that the market is always drawn to liquidity. So if you don't look at that side, look at it also. You have equal highs here too. Can you see? So market is going to get drawn towards this liquidity. So which is what brought me to the market first making high of the week before going down to make the low of the week. So can you see how I relate both a day, a week, and 1 hour and 15-minute time frame? I can even change it down to 5-minute time frame. So you understand that okay, everything goes together with each other. The same liquidity that I mark is on 5 minutes. You can see after picking it up, the same liquidity that I mark here is on 5 minutes also. The same liquidity that I mark here is on 5 minutes. So if you are someone that trade outside the section, so you can when market open on Sunday night, you can just trade towards them. and pick it up. Then you see what will happen on Monday throughout. So on Monday, like I said from the beginning, you might actually have a buy up and a sell off. But this is what I would prefer the market to do. Make the hour of the week first. This means a day for that day on Monday should be bullish. Then on Tuesday, you should give us our change of character so we can start our sell for the week. So then Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, our sell will complete. But this is my first priority before this and this. So once I'm able to get an entry for myself, this is my target. But I'm expecting the market. I think the market is going to pick up this two side also. So that's it. So this is what I expect on Eurgbp. Do you understand? So we are still selling, we are still on sell. Don't be trapped with this break of structure that happened here. Don't think the market is bad, it's going to reverse at any time. No, we are still on sell. The market just have to close this way. These strategies you can practice it on your own. Just look out for equal highs. That is only what I trade. I wait patiently, I look out for equal highs, then after picking it up, sometimes I trade towards them, sometimes after picking it up, I trade the opposite direction, which is after picking it up, after picking up this liquidity, I will expect the market what. So our buy up, let me say, is going to last up to here to fill up this fair value gap. And if you check it this week, that's where our fair value gap is. Then so can you see? That's what I check. Our ID, our fair value gap is also here. If you check our week, even though we don't have the fair value gap there, well, high of the week is expected. First, market to buy up. There's some people trapped that okay, I'm about to buy up. So that is what I think is going to happen. There's some people trapped that is about to buy up. Then respect ourselves. So box our 15 minutes. Just wait patiently for your change of character on 15-minute time frame. Don't use 5-minute time frame. Please don't use 5 minutes. Use 15 minutes. Sometimes your change of character on 15 minutes aligns with your 1 hour. Your 15-minute high and 15-minute low will be your 1 hour high. And I think that's what is going to happen here also. It's going to pick up the 15 minutes, change the character, then you check 1 hour, you say okay. You're also having the PMS. You're having the higher low PMS. So that's what I expect to happen on Eurgbp. So I will upload the video on, if you haven't watched our video on AUD I will advise you to go and check it out and check out what happened during the week. I will upload the full video of what happened during the week also this Sunday. I'm going to make sure I do that before I move on to. So I'm clueless on what is going to happen on AUD, but I will be looking forward to what Monday is going to do first before I make any decision. But the pairs that I'm going to, my peers that I know that okay, they are potential for me now. Please, Eurgbp, don't miss the sale. Don't miss the sale. Don't. Eurgbp, GBP Now, what if I told you that GBP is just down to clear liquidity? But don't let us go to that part. So you can watch our video on GBP also. So bye. Thank you.